What's going on at Fedex? The stock was down 3% yesterday on the stock market as we learned that they have lost one of their biggest contracts ever. Indeed, it's a 20-year partnership with the US postal service provider USPS that comes to an end as their competitor UPS won the contract. So in terms of impact, we see an impact of a loss of $1.5 to $2 billion of revenue for Fedex, but we think that this short-term pain is for a long-term gain. Indeed, we see here an opportunity for Fedex to refocus their network, to work on cost efficiencies, and maybe, that frees up capacity to be used at, for higher contracts, at higher margins. So we think that this situation really depends on management and management execution, so they can turn a negative into a positive. Number 2 on the agenda, airline. What's going on at United Airlines? Well, the stock was down yesterday 1% as they mentioned that they are affected by Boeing late deliveries of aircraft, namely 787 aircraft and 737. So they have asked their pilots to please take unpaid leave in the month of May in order to alleviate the pressure on labor costs. So if you're investing in airlines, you should expect more noise coming from the problems that they have, at Boeing, impacting obviously the entire industry. Number 3 on our radar, Tesla. What's going on at Tesla? The stock price is down 30% year to date. So from January until now, the stock has been really under pressure, and we see the rise of competition in China with more and more electric vehicle companies putting more products on the market with better specification at lower prices, and we see this really eating into Tesla's market share. So Tesla, if it's a name that you've been looking at for quite some time, 2024 could be your opportunity. There is a window there, a lot of weakness depending on what's your investment horizon and also your investment thesis and your view on Tesla. The stock is down this year, so it's an underperformer for sure. Number 4, an opportunity there, Micron Technology. So Micron Technology was up yesterday 5%, and we see this company, benefiting from AI. Micron company is a company that is focused on computer memory and also data storage, and they mentioned that they have a chip that is able to ease a little bit memory bottleneck that are linked to AI. So we think that if you miss the train, on the AI rally with Nvidia, all this, Micron Technology might be a name that you want to put on your radar. And finally, before I leave you, I just want to talk a little bit about the market as we come, to the end of the first quarter. So from January till the end of March, we closed the first quarter of the year, and the stock market did really well. Everything was up. Most of the things were up 10%. The S&P 500 was up 10%, and we see this as a very good start of the year. But right now, we're seeing more nervousness in the market. We're seeing traders, piling up on options. So that's indicative of more uncertainty in the market, and they're protecting their downside risk. So potentially, they're preparing for negative events or negative big swing in the market. So be careful out there, and I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, activate the notification bell as this is a new channel, and your support is very important to us. Have a nice day. See you.